This community is literally so new that there is nothing here yet. You know, if I get the opportunity to show you a brand new community from literal scratch, then I'm gonna do it, because look at all of this land. Look at all the opportunity for future homes being built, communities being made, and an entire community with kind of an ecosystem for growth here. There's just tons of opportunity. I wanted to show you, the land is so bare right now that behind me, you can literally see Tanger Outlets. It's a outdoor mall right behind me back there, I think. You got Buc-ee's back behind me over there somewhere. So you can see all that stuff right from the freeway. I love it. If I can show you all of this stuff and tell you kind of what's coming, then that's what I want to do, because you might decide that your home is here. And if that's the case, I want to help you do it and find what makes you happy. So the builders that we have here in this community are going to be Chesmar Homes. We got David Weekley Homes. We got Coventry. 3 builders that I have featured numerous times on my channel. Their model homes are going to go right here on this land behind. So I wanted to come show you that. Each of these builders are going to feature 1 and 2 story homes between 1,400 or so square feet, all the way up to in the 3,000 square feet. The reason this is so cool to be able to watch and to help people break ground on a brand new community is, there's some perks to doing this. Not everybody can imagine being the literal first ones building in a community, but if you can, there are really some benefits to doing so. You can buy at what the true base price of a home is. You get in before the builder establishes or even starts thinking about any price increases. You would also be buying at the lowest point the community will ever be, because as homes do get price increases and the property values do go up over time, over the years that the community is being built, people will pay more and more and more for the homes along the way. If you get in right from the beginning, you're paying the lowest you'll pay in that entire community ever. So it's just something to think about. It could be a really new and exciting experience for even first-time buyers, investors, and homeowners looking for a change. We've got a bit more new information on one of the home builders in this community, Chesmar Homes. They're going to be starting out in the 320s in their 45 and 50 foot product. There is a possibility that they might have a floor plan in the 290s, waiting to hear more on that. But I am trying to give you the scoop on this community as I hear information and as it is getting released. So stay tuned for more updates.